Welcome to the SAC Writing Center. Today we are going to show you how to make an appointment with a SAC Writing Center tutor using our tutor appointment system, EAB Navigate. In order to get to EAB Navigate, you're going to want to go to the SAC homepage at mountsac.edu. Once you are at the SAC homepage, go to the Sign In option and select Navigate Student Success. Clicking there will prompt you to sign in using Navigate's authentication. Go ahead and click in with Login with your student account. Then use your SAC login and click Continue. Once you log in, you will see the dashboard for Navigate 360. To make an appointment, you will go to the left-hand side and find the Appointments section. Once you click on the Appointments section, there will be an option to schedule an appointment in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that. Through EAB Navigate, you can select multiple different services on campuses to schedule appointments for. However, to schedule with the Writing Center, you'll scroll down to the bottom and click on Writing Center. Then you can select whichever service you would like to schedule for. The Writing Center currently offers 30-minute and 60-minute appointments, so depending on which option you select will determine what availabilities you see on the next screen. If you select the 60-minute option and nothing is showing, it could be that there are only 30-minute appointments available. So if you would like to see the most appointments, clicking the 30-minute option will yield the most results. After selecting the service type, you'll then pick the day that you would like to schedule for. So if we were looking to schedule for today, you would just select today's date, and then you will click on Find Available Time. From here, you will get a view of all of the available appointments for those half-hour intervals for today, and it will also forecast other days as well. So if you would like to schedule an appointment, you can click one of the options on the right-hand side. In addition, if you've been to the Writing Center before and you have specific tutors that you would like to see their availability for, you can also search by staff as well. And by selecting a specific staff member, that will limit the results to only showing their availabilities. In this case, if I wanted to schedule an appointment for 12 to 12:30, I would select that option. And from here, I can see information for that appointment, the date that it will be on, the time, the duration for it, and also who the tutor is that I will be working with. In the details section, you also will be receiving the Zoom link for that tutor in case you do schedule a Zoom appointment. When scheduling an appointment at the Writing Center, you do have the option of selecting an in-person or a Zoom appointment. For this example, we'll go ahead and select in-person. In the Would you like to share anything else section, you can include additional information for your tutor. This can include information about the assignment you would like to work on, questions that you hope to have answered, or letting your tutor know what stage of the writing process you are currently in. The email reminder option will automatically be selected so that you'll receive an email directly to your SAC email address once you've scheduled your appointment. You also have the option to receive text message reminders. If you would like to enable that, you can also enter your phone number, and then when you've had all of your information entered, you can click Schedule. And then upon scheduling, you'll be able to view your appointments or schedule additional appointments. And that's how you schedule an appointment with the Writing Center using EAB Navigate. We look forward to seeing you at the Writing Center for your next appointment.